guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. I'm gonna teach you guys how to play an easier version of Drive, because there's a lot of like slaps and stuff when you're or mutes when you're playing it. But I'm gonna show you just some easier ways. Okay, so please hit like and subscribe so you get notified when I come out with new tutorials. All right. So let's get into it. So this song is in standard tuning. Doesn't have a capo or anything, as you can see. It's not the easiest song you'll ever play, especially if you play it like the actual way. I'm trying to show you guys that the person who requested this is fairly new to the guitar, so I'm trying to make it a little easier for you guys. So the main chords, the only chords you're going to use for this song, you're going to use 4 of them. Now you're going to change the order a little bit, but the main chords you're going to use are E minor. Okay, and you're going to use G. I think it's easiest if you use that G just because you're already so close. Then C. Alright, and then A minor, so you just lift up. Okay? Oops, that's wrong. There you go, that's A minor. So that's like the actual chord progression for most of the song. Okay? So, the way you're going to play this is you're going to play that 4 times, E minor, G, C, A minor, with no lyrics to start the song. You're gonna do that. I just played it twice. You're gonna play it 4 times without any lyrics, and you're gonna play it like louder at the beginning, and then when you do the verse, you're gonna play it a little softer. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the strumming pattern. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So on E minor, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you go to G, you just do up, down, up, down, up, down, up on G. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then you do C, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So on every other, for that main riff, which you do for like 75% of the song, for that main riff, you're going to be doing down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So every other chord, the 2nd and 4th chords, you're going to do up, down, up, down, up, down, up. The 1st and 3rd, you're doing down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1 time slow. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, just like that. Now, I'm not going to show you where you do that with all the lyrics in the song, because you just do that for most of the time. However, so you're going to do that for all of the verse and all of the chorus, except for when you do the pre-chorus, you're going to do something different. So you're going to do C, all right? Would you see? Stripping me before, seems to have a vague, haunting mass appeal. So in this, you're just doing C, you're just alternating C and A. All right, you're doing the same strumming as you did before. So C, stripping me before, and then before you do A, before, seems to have a vague, haunting mass appeal. So here I'm doing down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down. And when you get to the last A, so you do. Lately I begin to find that I should be the one behind the wheel. Okay, so when you do the one behind the wheel, 1 is A. And you're just gonna do a single strum and let it ring. One behind the wheel. And then you can slap it, you can do whatever, or you can just do this. And then you're gonna go into whatever tomorrow brings, I'll be there. Open arms open. So then you just go right into the chorus, okay? Then after you do the second verse, or sorry, after you do the chorus, you do the second verse, and then you do the pre-chorus again. So it's just that C A C A. And then the next verse, and then when you do the interlude part, you're still just doing the same chord progression, but you're gonna do it 4 times like you did the intro with no lyrics. So just with no lyrics. Okay, so you're just gonna do that part, and then you do that last pre-chorus part. You're just doing, so it's just shorter basically. You just do. Would you choose water over wine? over wheel and drive. Whatever tomorrow brings, I'll be there. Okay, and you're just gonna go into it. And then if you want, when you do the outro of the song, you can just do it the same way that you started it. E minor, G, C, A minor with no lyrics 4 times. You don't have to, you could even just do, end it on an E minor, okay? Or on an A if you want. Anyway, that's how you play the song. It's a I try to give you guys a very easy and quick version of it. So I hope this works. Let me know in the comments if it helps you guys that are newer to play it. So thanks for watching, guys. It's been fun. See you next time.